Hi everyone! Welcome to our new YouTube channel, The Automation for Business Owners and Managers. I'm Andrii, the founder of Unitsoft Incorporation. For over 25 years, I've been passionate about implementing digital transformation for our clients. Do you want to improve your business, free up time and resources, or take it to the next level? Join us on a journey where we share our expertise, tools, insights with you. Allow me to introduce to you my AI-powered assistant, Sophia. She is here to engage in exciting discussions and pose questions that entrepreneurs, managers, and business owners typically ask when they starting or enhancing their businesses.
Hi everyone. My name is Sophia. I am a digital assistant created by artificial intelligence. Together with Andrii, we'll look into the key questions and issues that managers and business owners deal with as they start or improve their businesses. Today's primary focus is on why all-in-one business software like Odoo is the top choice for small and medium-sized businesses. But before we dive into that, Andrii, can you please clarify what all-in-one software means? And what exactly is Odoo?
Sure, Sophia. An all-in-one software is a comprehensive solution that integrates multiple business functions and processes into a single platform. Odoo is a perfect example of this. Odoo consolidates tools for classic management and online business. Can you imagine accounting, inventory, CRM, manufacturing, project or human resources management working together with your website, e-commerce, email and SMS marketing or any communication channels as a single solution? Just single login and you can control any business processes and resources. In total, Odoo provides 40 to 80 business applications you can use as needed. Odoo's platform and applications are open source. It's very important. You have the potential to expand functionality and more freedom in choosing a partner who can help you with your systems. But the main difference from other software is that you do not need to integrate these applications with others. It often turns into an integration nightmare. Managing and integrating different applications can be a significant IT challenge, even for seasoned professionals. Suppose you have a startup or a small business. In that case, you would direct financial and time resources to grow your business rather than manage and maintain information bridges between your systems. That's why we recommend that small companies and startups use an integrated platform like Odoo.
That's very insightful, Andrii. So, if I understand correctly, Odoo can save small businesses and startups a lot of time and resources by offering multiple integrated applications in one platform. But how many applications or systems do small businesses usually need to manage their operations effectively?
Great question, Sophia. The number of applications or systems needed by a small business might vary depending on the nature, size and maturity of the company. However, most small businesses and startups require a core set of applications to manage essential processes like e-commerce, accounting, customer relationship management, inventory, sales, purchase, human resources, project management. In addition to these core applications, businesses might also need specialized applications for specific industries or processes. Sales, for example, require completely different approach and functionality if you have wholesale, retail shops, field sales, beauty salons, construction services, rental, IT or any other type of business. On average, you can use 5 or 15 applications. And of course, they should be applications that meet the needs of your business.
I can't believe that you can have one tool that meets all business needs for every type of business. Is it possible? How does it work?
That's why Odoo, besides base applications, has the largest marketplace with more than 15,000 applications. Odoo's modular architecture makes it simple for businesses to find and integrate the specialized applications they need. You can browse the Odoo App Store to find the applications that suit your business, industry and specific processes. Many of these apps are developed by the Odoo community, which is known for its collaborative spirit and expertise. Once you have identified the needed applications, it's as easy as installing them into your existing Odoo database. The new applications will be natively integrated into your system, working seamlessly with the other modules you already have. That is the power of the Odoo platform. It's like a massive Lego constructor that can be assembled and tailored to your unique requirements. So, regardless of the number of applications your business needs, Odoo is a flexible solution that can be adapted to all the specific requirements of your business.
That sounds fantastic, Andrii. With so many features and applications, I'm curious, is it difficult for small businesses or startups to start working with Odoo? How user-friendly is it?
Great question, Sophia. One of the strengths of Odoo is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for users without any technical expertise. Odoo offers a consistent user experience across all its applications, make it easy for users to learn the platform and quickly become proficient in using various models. Moreover, Odoo provides extensive documentation, tutorials and support resources to help users get started and address any questions they might have. The Odoo community is also very active, offering additional support and knowledge sharing, which is particularly helpful for small business and startups. Unitsoft Company, as an official Odoo partner, can help you if you meet with any issues or if you need consultations or software development.
I'm amazed by how powerful and versatile Odoo is. I can't wait to try it out myself. How can I get started with Odoo, Andrii?
I'm glad you're excited to try Odoo, Sophia. The best way to get started is to visit Unitsoft website and sign up for a free trial. You will get linked to your personal Odoo application in 5 minutes. And you can start exploring the features and functionalities immediately. If you decide that Odoo is the right choice for your business, then you can switch to a subscription plan based on your requirements.
Thank you, Andrii, for sharing your knowledge about Odoo and its benefits for small businesses and startups. I'm sure our viewers found it extremely helpful. To our viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your questions in the comments section below. I'll make sure to ask Andrii those questions in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to improve and grow your business.
You will be surprised if you look at the prices on our website. Bye, friends!